Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with a Reaper, your heavy metal chef. Got an exciting recipe for you. We are going to do a tiramisu. In other words, if you don't speak Italian, it means make me happy. Alright, but let me clean this stuff off my hands. I'll be right back. Welcome back on this Halloween weekend, guys. We're starting out with some fresh eggs here. Alright. We want the white of the egg in this side. One day I'll buy an egg separator. You know what I mean? Alright. Put the yolk in there. Fresh eggs, guys. You don't want the salmonella. So you want to make sure you're using fresh eggs. Uh-oh. All right. I'm using 4 eggs because, you know, it's a little larger tiramisu. Oh, I did it again. All right, there we go. We saved that one. There goes those egg cracking skills, you know. If you don't want to use eggs, you can use ricotta. Or, uh-oh. Get this yolk out of here, guys. Because we want our white to stay fluffy and white. Not yellow. Egg separator. Reaper, buy an egg separator. You do better. You do better that way. But you know, it's what happens when you do it live. All right. Good to be back with you guys. Got my espresso over here on the stove. That's what we're dipping our biscuits in. We're going to use a tablespoon of white sugar in each. A little more, doesn't matter. More sugar the sweeter, right? Here, we'll give him another dab. All right. Let's see. Is it making the sound? Oh, making the sound. Yes. Now, this is authentic espresso. All right, we're going to pour that in the bowl. Probably going to need to make another one. So we'll let that cool. We'll make another. But you want that to be cool. Because you don't want your biscuits to disintegrate. Alright? We can go ahead and blend these up so they're nice and foamy. About 3 or 4 minutes. And I'll be right back when we're done. Welcome back. See, look at our nice white foamy eggs over there. That's what you want. And don't worry about salmonella. They're fresh eggs. Fresh eggs. We just want to do the yolks until they're nice and creamy. Look at that, huh? You know what? Our mixer has managed to make it through another recipe today. Pretty awesome. You want it nice and creamy. Very good, very good. All right. Alright guys, we're done with the mixture. I had to brew another pot of coffee. I don't think that's enough espresso for all our biscuits. So I got another one brewing. And you want that to cool completely because you don't want your biscuits to disintegrate. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and throw in my mascarpone. This is Italian cream cheese, guys. We're going to throw half in the white. I don't know. I've been on a dessert kick lately. And we put that in there. We're going to mix the white first because I want to keep my white. Alright? And you can get this cheese, any of your local stores will have it, guys. Alright? It's Italian cream cheese. It's made for tiramisu. And we're going to go ahead, we want to keep this foamy. Alright? So we're just going to blend it in. We're going to fold it. Alright? Until it's melted. And we're going to do the same with the yellow. Alright? We're going to put the yellow layer on first. Also, we got some nice chocolate we're going to put in there as well. Toffee. See, you don't want to overbeat it, guys, because you want to keep it foamy, right? See, it's melting right in there. Blending in there good. Oh, yeah. And I hope you all had a uneventful Halloween weekend. You know, if there was trick or treat around your town. A few local towns around here had it, a few didn't. You know, thanks to the COVID. Wonderful year. Oh yeah, look at how foamy, guys. That is nice. Foamy, creamy. It's blending right in. Now the yellow, we're going to have to work it a little better. It's a little harder to blend. Alright. It's all blended up real nice. That's good. Alright, let's go over here. I probably could have, let it soften a little bit, but, here nor there. Foresight's better than hindsight, I guess, sometimes. You know what I mean? We'll get this all blended together. I hear another batch of espresso. It's starting to percolate over there. Look, guys, it's making a noise. Oh, yeah. Sweet espresso. That's almost done. We're going to have to let it cool, though, before we put our biscuits in there. Alright, so while it's cooling, I might as well finish getting this all mixed up for you guys. And we go to do our biscuits. Show you how to do that, because you don't want to let it dissolve. Okay, you want it to just absorb some of the coffee. You don't want it to disintegrate. All right, and that's the key. All right. This is better than any tiramisu you can buy in the store. This is authentic. And I have to give a shout out to my buddy Vincenzo. is his idea. I got a big pan over here, so I made a double batch. You have a smaller Pyrex, guys. You only have to do 2 eggs. Alright? But since I got a bigger pan, we did 4. I doubled it. Okay? Alright? This stuff's ready to go. Nice creamy white. Nice creamy yellow. And as soon as our espresso cools, we'll be right back with you guys. Alright? Alright, we're back, guys. Our coffee's cooled. We're going to do like 3 at a time. Hold it in there for about 3 seconds, no more. All you want it to do is absorb the flavor. Sugar side down. Alright? 1, 2, 3. Very quick. Sugar side down. 1, 2, 3. Otherwise, the biscuit will disintegrate into nothing, guys. And we don't want our cream to fall through the layers. So, sugar side down. Sugar side down. Smash it on there, guys. Alright? Oh, yeah. Now, we're going to go ahead and take our yellow. We're just going to pour it right in there. Oh, yeah. This is better than any tiramisu that you can buy in this store. It's authentic. The only thing, I didn't add any brandy or amaretto, things like that. You can. Alright, we're going to spread it around carefully. Alright. Nice. Thin there. I like putting the yellow at the bottom. Alright. I'll have to wash that off before we go to the white. Alright. Now we're going to add some cocoa. This will disintegrate. It'll blend right in, guys. Oh yeah. So amazing. And we're going to go ahead. I like a little bit of chocolate. So we're going to go ahead and grate some chocolate right over there. You know, dark chocolate tends to be a little bitter, but this is amazing stuff here, guys. It's got toffee and everything in it. All right. Oh, sure, Reaper. Throw chocolate all over. It's all good. All right. Go ahead with our second layer. Sugar side down.
My stomach's talking to me right now.
Oh, Gunshy there. He's waiting. Gotta go exchange his headset. Can't stream when, you know, earpiece isn't working. He's like, Dad. I'm like, all right, we're working on it. Let's get the tiramisu done. 1, 2, 3. Looks like we're gonna have just enough coffee. Sugar side down. What do you think? I think we got enough room for one more biscuit in
Yep.
there. There's that, and there's a snack for you if you want one, Gunch. Washing off the yellow yolk. Because, you know, I want to keep my white. White and fluffy. Mascarpone cheese is Italian cream cheese. It originated in northern Italy. In case you guys didn't know that. Oh yeah. Oh, so amazing. Nice, authentic tiramisu. It's amazing. And you know what? You guys are gonna like it. And look at this, guys. Oh, spot on. All right. So let's go ahead and put some more cocoa on here. It's gonna absorb it real nice. Nice chocolatey layer, guys. Oh yeah. A lot of people don't like cocoa. So if you want something that's less bitter, I didn't say this, but you can use Nesquik. Shh. Chefs would be screaming at me right now. Nesquik, what are you crazy? We're just gonna top this off. Some more of this chocolate. You know what? And when I bought this chocolate, proceeds go to the endangered species. Haha, look at that. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. All right. So now what we're doing with this, we're just gonna put it right in the oven. Oh, psych, I got you there. No, we're gonna put it in the fridge. We're gonna let it set up. Anywhere from 2 to 24 hours. All right? We'll be back when it's ready to roll. Love you guys. Stick around for the finale. Hey guys, welcome back. Sort of rushed it a little bit. We're going to put it back in the fridge, but there you have it. Authentic tiramisu. You're not going to get any better. It's amazing, guys. All right? But I'd like to thank you again for being with us on another episode of Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. God bless. Stay safe. We'll see you guys next time.